Wagwan YouTube, welcome to the Jamaican Recipe Queen, where we cook with love and passion. So today, my families, I will be making some barbecue jerk salmon. Yes, and I am going to make this barbecue jerk salmon in my air fryer. So as you can see, I have 4 nice pieces of salmon steak, and I have some olive oil, 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning, and I'm going to also be using some of my green marinade. These are my homemade seasonings. So for the jerk seasoning, I'll leave a link in the description, and also for my green seasoning, I'll also leave a link for you in my description. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my green seasoning, and I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of my jerk marinade. Beautiful. Now I'm just gonna go in with some olive oil. All right, and then we're just gonna rub this in on both sides. So now they're nicely coated on both sides. I'm just gonna go ahead now and place them on my air fryer grill. All right, see how lovely they're looking. So here I have my grill over here, and I'm just gonna place them on the grill right there. I'm just gonna do probably 2 pieces on each grill. Okay, they are now in the air fryer, so let's go ahead now and start this up. Okay, so on my air fryer, I'm just gonna use the fish one, and I'm just gonna start this. So it's at 400 degrees right now. Okay, so while our salmon is in the air fryer, we are going to go ahead and we are going to prepare our barbecue sauce. All right, so here I'm going to use some Diana sauce, and I'm also going to be using some sweet pimento paste, about 1 tablespoon of my sweet pimento paste, and I also have about 1.5 tablespoon of ketchup that I will be using, and we'll be adding some lemon slices later on. Okay, so I'm going to add my Diana sauce. Yeah, about 2 tablespoons. My ketchup, 1 tablespoon. All right, and I'm going to go in with 1 tablespoon of my sweet pimento paste. So the pimento paste, I don't know if you're familiar with it, but it's a little bit salty. So just go in with like just 1 tablespoon just for the flavor. All right, so I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar to this as well. So here I have the vinegar, and I'm using the malt vinegar. You can use the white one as well. Okay, I'm just gonna combine this together. Now we're gonna add just 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Alright, so our brown sugar is our last ingredient for our sauce. Just combine that nicely, and we're gonna just set this aside. Alright, so I just pulled this from the air fryer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to baste this right now with our barbecue sauce and put it back into the air fryer. So just baste it nice. Lovely. The other one. See how lovely these are looking already? Yes. This is a must try. Very healthy, very delicious. The best jerk salmon you will ever have. Trust me, try this. I'll leave a link for my jerk marinade. and the green seasoning, so don't worry. If you don't want to make the jerk marinade, you can go ahead and use some Walker's Wood or your favorite jerk marinade. Alright, so these are nicely coated now. I'm just gonna add some lemon slices to this. Okay, so just gonna put this back for another 5 minutes. Okay, so this is what it is looking like. It is finished. I'm gonna remove this now from the air fryer. Okay, all right, so here it is, my wonderful people. It is ready. It is finished. It is looking absolutely amazing. Look at that. What you can do, you can just top this off now with some finely chopped parsley and you're ready to serve. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments about what you think, if you will be trying this recipe out. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, God bless you.